In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the card banner in Bettermode. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Bettermode website. You can easily do this by typing in the URL directly or by searching for Bettermode in your search engine. Once you're on the Bettermode homepage, you'll see your dashboard. Now it's time to click on your specific site. This action will take you directly into your site's environment, making it ready for customization. Next, move to the option that says Create a new site. This might sound a little confusing if you're thinking about modifying an existing site. What this does is allow you to start the customization process smoothly, giving you several template options. Here you can select from various spaces like Edumark or Sassplex, depending on what your current project demands. Pick the space where you want to make edits by giving it a simple click. Once you've chosen the perfect space, it is time to move to a magical little button called Use Template. By clicking this, you're essentially informing Bettermode about the specific template you'd like to modify, allowing you to make relevant changes and enhance your site's appeal. Now hover over the specific card or section that contains the banner image you want to change. Typically, these cards lie under the community section on your site. As you hover, your tools to edit will appear. Then navigate through the categories present. In this example, let's say you are trying to update an event banner. Select the category that aligns with your site's structure, like Events. Click into the Events section to narrow down your choices further. Once you're in, the next step is typing in a suitable title that aligns with your event or content theme. This makes your card more personable and easier to identify. Now, let's focus on the aesthetic details. Locate the banner cover image field within the settings. This is where the visual transformation happens. Next, click on Upload Image or Replace Image. Once clicked, your computer's File Explorer will open. Browse through your images and select the visual you wish to use as your new banner. After you've uploaded and are satisfied with your chosen banner, it's crucial not to miss the final step: save your work. The Save or Publish button will ensure your hard work is stored and displayed correctly on your site. And that, my friends, was how to effortlessly change a card banner in Bettermode. By following these simple steps, you can make sure your site is visually appealing and precisely tailored to fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.